Gambas al Ajillo, Spanish garlic shrimp. It's one of the easiest, boldest tapas you'll ever make. Juicy shrimp, golden garlic, and a touch of chili. It comes together in one pan in under 10 minutes, and every bite feels like a little vacation in Spain. Grab some crusty bread. You won't want to waste a drop. Welcome to Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders. If you are making the optional salad, now it's the time. Wash and drain fresh greens. Peel and julienne half an apple, kissed with lemon juice so it stays bright. Briny Greek olives, slivers of yellow onion, and shavings of pecorino romano, all tossed with pistachios for crunch. A quick dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper brings it all together when serving. Keep it chilled when the shrimp cook. Now take half a French baguette, slice it up, and lay it on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and a pinch of salt. Slide it under the broiler for just a couple minutes on each side until golden and crusty before the shrimp are ready. They're perfect for mopping up that garlicky oil later. Wash and dry the shrimp with paper towel and add them to a mixing bowl. Add salt, pepper, paprika, and extra virgin olive oil to the mix and marinade. Then chop fresh cilantro for the finishing touch. Garlic is the heart of this dish, and we're not shy. I used 8 cloves, thinly sliced. In the skillet, cover the bottom with extra virgin olive oil and make it nice and hot. Toss in the garlic, a pinch of salt, and chili flakes. Let it saute for a couple minutes until those edges got golden and your kitchen smells like heaven. Now the shrimp go in a single layer, no crowding. Sear for 2 minutes. Flip with tongs. And pour in a splash of dry white wine. I used Portuguese green wine, young, bright, and just enough acidity to wake everything up. Cook for another 2 minutes until the alcohol cooks off and the shrimp are plump and pink. Do a taste of the broth. You know if it needs a pinch of more salt. Finish with a shower of fresh cilantro or parsley. Serve it hot, straight from the skillet, with that crusty bread and the green salad on the side. A chilled glass of wine makes it complete. Simple ingredients, bold flavor, and a meal that feels like a little escape to Sevilla, Spain, in under 10 minutes. Until then, stay hungry, stay curious, and I'll see you next time here at Lay's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.